Hello everyone. My name is Riya. Today, I will tell you about my weekend routine. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. On the weekend, I wake up a little late. I usually wake up at 8 o'clock. I do not hurry. I feel relaxed and happy. First, I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Then I make a simple breakfast. I drink tea and eat something light. After breakfast, I clean my room. I make my bed. I keep my things in order. It makes my mind calm. Later, I spend time with my family. We talk and laugh together. Sometimes we watch TV. Sometimes we listen to music. In the afternoon, I rest for some time. I read a book or use my phone. If the weather is good, I go for a short walk. I enjoy the fresh air. In the evening, I help in the kitchen. We make dinner together. I like weekend food. It feels special. At night, I relax. I think about the week. I plan for the next day. Then I go to bed early. This is my weekend routine. What about you? What do you do on the weekend? Thank you for watching.